Hey guys, it's Danielle with Take Care Mama, and I wanted to bring you along in a day in my life. We end the day at a fun apple orchard. I get a lot of cleaning done and get Norma's high chair set up. I hope you enjoy, and here we go.
Closing in this fast, oh, I guess time's in a rush. Leaves are falling down, but at least they grow back, while I'm on a one-way track. Now I know what it means to grow old. Yeah, now I know the time I've got, it is just enough.
My house is a complete disaster these days, so I just wanted to show you a quick before of the living room and kitchen. I didn't clean up everything perfectly. I think I set my timer for 15 minutes or maybe a half an hour and just did as much as I could.
Sometimes I understand I'm making all the wrong demands in life. It never pays in the end, but still I am here, moving on like before. I'm yearning to reach the shore. Now I know what it means to grow.
Norma is finally showing interest in eating, so I also finally got a high chair. This was a cheapo from Target, but I really like it so far. Pretty easy to assemble, not much to do except some screws, which James taught me how to do. I was trying to read the directions, but he just knew right away what to do. And I love his little engineering mind. It's completely opposite from my own.
Time I've got, it is just enough to get by. Yeah, it is just enough to get by.
I'm also loving these bibs we got from Target. When James was little, I don't think these were out yet, but they're so smart and catch all of her uneaten food that falls. It was such a beautiful fall day, and luckily Phil was able to come home from work a little bit early so we could get our annual apple orchard trip in. We had such a great time, and thank you for following along with us. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe if you're not already. I hope to see you next time, and take care, Mama. Bye guys.